Why don't manufacturers use stainless steel for car bodies? It seems logical. After all, it doesn't rust, looks great, and we use it everywhere else. Let's dig into the real reasons behind this industry decision. The most famous attempt was John DeLorean's DMC-12 in 1981. This car actually used brushed stainless steel body panels, creating that distinctive unpainted metallic finish we all remember. While visually striking, the DeLorean revealed several critical challenges that explain why the industry moved away from this approach. First, cost economics. Stainless steel typically costs 2 to 3 times more than conventional automotive steel. For a mid-size sedan, this translates to roughly $2,000 to $3,000 additional material cost per vehicle. When you're producing millions of units annually, these numbers become prohibitive for mass-market vehicles. Second, weight penalties. Stainless steel is approximately 15–20% heavier than high-strength automotive steel. This extra weight directly impacts fuel efficiency, acceleration, and handling characteristics. In today's environment focused on emissions and efficiency, every pound matters significantly. Third, manufacturing complexity. Stainless steel requires different forming techniques and specialized tooling. It's harder to stamp into complex shapes, requires more forming stages, and the work-hardening properties make deep draws particularly challenging. This complexity increases production time and requires additional capital investment in manufacturing equipment. Fourth, repair and service issues. When accidents occur, stainless steel body panels are extremely difficult to repair using conventional body shop techniques. Most repair facilities lack the specialized equipment and training needed to work with stainless steel, making collision repairs both expensive and time-consuming. Fifth, modern alternatives. Today's automotive industry has developed advanced high-strength steels, aluminum alloys, and carbon fiber composites that offer better strength-to-weight ratios while maintaining cost-effectiveness. Modern galvanized steel with advanced coatings provides excellent corrosion resistance at a fraction of stainless steel's cost. The automotive industry operates on razor-thin margins where every dollar counts. While stainless steel offers certain advantages, the combination of higher costs, manufacturing challenges, and weight penalties make it impractical for mass production vehicles. The DeLorean showed us what's possible, but also why it didn't succeed commercially. Sometimes the most obvious solution isn't the most practical one. What's your take on this? Have you owned a DeLorean or worked with stainless steel in automotive applications? Share your experiences in the comments below and don't forget to subscribe for more automotive deep dives. Thanks for watching.